Hey, it's Ken with Casual Furniture World here in Winston-Salem. Today we're going to be looking at the Napoleon Prestige versus Prestige Pro lineup and kind of going through some of the differences on the two grills. So as you're thinking about purchasing one of the two grills, you can make a better decision on which one's better suited for you. So diving into their bestseller, the Prestige series. This is the larger one, the 665. It also is available in a 500 series, which is a little smaller and is their best seller. The great thing about this grill that I'll start off with is they offer a lifetime warranty. It's limited, but everything on this grill is lifetime warranty, from the casters all the way to the top of the grill. That is unheard of in our industry and is definitely the best warranty in the industry, which makes this such a great seller for us. So we'll start from the top. Every stainless steel material on this grill is 304 stainless steel. It is accompanied with some aluminum on your sides as well as the side of your grill, and the interior part of your firebox is also aluminum. That is a good thing because aluminum doesn't bow like stainless steel, so your inside of your grill won't have any kind of bowing happening like with some grills that do have stainless steel. This grill gives you a lot of add-ons, so a lot of times they're going to put an infrared burner, which if you know what an infrared burner is, that is what you use to sear your steaks. It's extremely hot. It gets up to 1800 degrees in 30 seconds with Napoleon. They normally put it inside the grill. The problem with that is it takes up cooking space, which is really important if you're cooking for a large party and you need as much space as possible. They fix that by putting it on the side. So you have an infrared burner that is incorporated into your side shelf. This can get up to 1800 degrees. You can sear your steaks and then finish them off on your grill. They give you a cast grate system on this. So this is got two levels. You can keep it high or take it down low. But for searing steaks, this gives great marks on your meats, and it doesn't take up your cooking space. The other thing they're giving you is they give you a infrared back burner. So if you're going to be cooking some larger meats, a full chicken, they also give you the rotisserie rod and the motor. On the Prestige series, you do get a plastic rotisserie motor though, but it is weighted. They do weight it, so that gives you kind of an even turn on your rotisserie. This particular model is going to be giving you their patented wave grate system, and you may wonder why they're doing a wave system. Is they say this gives more points of contact on your meat, so evenly cooks your meat better. So these are very heavy duty grates. You'll see by the thickness, it's got great weight to it. These are lifetime warranty. They're all stainless steel, so you're not going to have a problem with these grates falling apart. The interior part, the important part, what's grilling your meat, the burners, they do use a two burner system, but they're 20,000 BTU, so great temperature on these. You should easily be able to slow cook as well as sear, even if you wanted to, with just your burners inside your grill. You do have a knob for your side burner as well as a knob for your back burner on this grill. So you'll see on this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 burners. When you go down to the 500 series, you're probably going to lose one of those burners. They are protecting their burners with these flavorizer bars. The science behind these is your drippings hit this, evaporate, and go back into your meat, so it helps with seasoning your meats as well as protecting your burners. So they have these throughout the grill to protect your burners. Let's look on the inside here. So you have a spot for your propane tank. You can order these natural gas or propane, and there's a battery pack that attaches to the side magnetically. That's where you'll put your batteries, and that will control your lighting inside your grill on your knobs. This grill does not have lights inside the grill, so your knobs do light up as well. So that is the review of the Prestige series. Now we're going to go over to the Prestige Pro series. So this is the Prestige Pro series. There's lots of upgrades, lots of bells and whistles that they add to this grill. That's the reason why your price is going to jump up considerably. We'll start on this side of the grill. You actually still get the infrared burner, but they're going to give you a stainless steel grate. The nice thing about that is you don't have to worry about seizing a cast iron grate like you have over here on the side burner, or keeping that thing from rusting or cleaning the rust off of it. And all stainless steel, you're not going to have those issues. So that is one upgrade you do get. Now looking at the grates on this grill, you'll see compared to what we have on the Prestige series, it's a lot more thickness. So I have considerable thickness on my grates. That's going to give you a little bit more points of contact on your meat, a little bit better cooking temperatures, a little bit more even temperature. You still are getting the same burner system, the same flavorizer bars. You are getting a stainless steel motor, so a better quality motor on your rotisserie. But the big thing you'll see aesthetically is the light system. So you get interior lights, you get lights that you can change the colors on, which you can do on both grills on the knobs, but you get a motion activated light on your floor, and this grill has motion activated lighting. So if your system's on, you come up to the grill, your lights will turn on, and if nobody's around it, no motion around it, it will turn off after 30 seconds. So that is a huge upgrade to the grill. The other thing you get on this 665 series, the Pro series, the smaller series 500, you won't have this. You get a smoker tube. So you can put your wood chips in here, soak them with a little bit of water. That's going to allow some smoke into your grill and really give you that nice flavor that you're going to like. If you're used to cooking with wood on a gas grill, it definitely changes the flavor a little bit. The other thing they give you is a prep center. So this is really cool. It can be doubled as a couple things. You have a cutting board, you have a bucket here. You could prep your vegetables, your meats on your side burner, not have to do it in the house. Take this bucket out, dump your trash, or if you wanted to double it as a little cooler, you know, this will fit probably 8 beers. So if you wanted to fill this with ice and use it for a cooler, you absolutely could do that as well. It's just a nice thing. They're thinking about all the small things, which is great. When we look at the front of the grill, you'll see it's a lot more sleeker. You're going to have a thicker quality double-walled front here, so a lot better quality doors. You do get soft close on this, so you don't get that on that one. That's got a magnet on it. But when we open this up, you'll see there's interior lighting on this. We get a lot of storage, so we get some shelving. We have storage on the side, paper towel holder. We get a pull out for our tank that comes in handy. You know, makes it easier to load your propane tank in and out. This grill does require power. So there is a power hub on the back of this grill that allows you to plug in your rotisserie, but you do have to get a cord. Napoleon doesn't ship one that you would attach into the power outlet and plug into your wall. And that's going to allow you to control your lighting, everything on this grill. So you're definitely going to want to get you maybe a 4, 5, 7 foot cord that you can plug into this grill off of Amazon or whatever, or you can do an extension cord, and that allows you to use this grill. So it does not use a battery pack like the Prestige series. So you'll see a lot of upgrades on this grill. Some are aesthetic, some are functional. Whether you want to spend the extra money is up to you, but both grills give you great performance. Same burner system, same flavorizer bars, same side burner, same back burner. It's just adding some of the extra flair and the extra stainless storage that you see on this grill. So we show both these grills on our floor. We sell tons of them. Our customers love them. We hear nothing but great reviews on these. Really, if you're thinking about a grill in the price point of $14.99 to their highest $34.99, these are great grills for the money.